The first surah that we begin with is naturally Surah Al-Fatiha, which is the opening surah of the Quran, and that is why it is called Al-Fatiha, the opener. There are special virtue and special merit that this surah possesses. The first virtue and merit is the fact that it is in the beginning of the noble Quran, and that is why it is called Al-Fatiha. The second merit is the fact that in every rakat of every salah, one has to read Surah Fatiha. And then together with that, we know that the opening verses of Surah Alaq were revealed as the first revelation, and then after that Surah Muzammil and Surah Muddathir. However, Surah Fatiha was the first complete surah to be revealed. It was revealed in Makkah al-Mukarramah. Some of the ulama are of the opinion that it was revealed twice, once in Makkah and once in Medina. A unique aspect of this surah is that the fact that the Quran, if it has to be summarized, then there are two essential themes throughout the Quran. One is belief in Allah, and the second is a'mal salihah, doing good deeds. And these two themes are found in Surah Fatiha. And it is essentially the essence of the noble Quran. And therefore, one of the names is Ummul Quran, or similar to that, another name is Ummul Kitab or Quranul Azim. All of it means the mother of the book, or the glorious book, or the magnificent book. The Surah Fatiha is referred to by these names because it encompasses the great themes of the noble Quran. In fact, you can look at it in this way, is that when a person approaches Surah Fatiha, he approaches it with a clear mind, with a cleansed heart, and he's making dua to Allah. And from Alif Lam Mim onwards, that is the response to his dua. Or we could look at it in this way, that Surah Fatiha is the brief text, and from Alif Lam Mim onwards, that is the explanation of Surah Fatiha. It is also referred to as Ash-Shifa, the curer, because the Messenger ﷺ said that Allah has put cure in the surah. If it is read 7 times and blown on water, it becomes a means of cure. And Nabi ﷺ said that not in the Torah, not in the Injil, not in the Zabur, not even in the Quran are there verses equivalent to Surah Fatiha. So this is the great merit of a surah that we read all the time, and perhaps at times we take it for granted, and we need to remind ourselves of the magnitude and the greatness of the surah. May Allah grant us the understanding.